Hi traders, welcome back to Rev Daily Traders. Hope you are well, hope you are doing well, and hope you did trade well last week. There was a good run on the market. Hope you did catch up and make some profit, okay? If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can get every video that we publish to you, okay? And do share our video so that other traders can get the experience or how Rev Daily Traders are doing, okay? Let's get back to our business of today. We're going to start with DXY, guys. On DXY, we're expecting, we are still expecting a rise on DXY, okay? Still expecting a rise. If you can check, we are still in a 1 here, 2, this is 3, okay? So now what we are expecting, we're expecting a correction, a bigger correction here to complete. Then we can look for the buy, okay? And see if we are breaking out or the market is going to give us a drop there, okay? But at the current state, we'll be looking for a buy here, okay? So every buying opportunity, a buy here, will give you a rise, or the market can give you one more drop here, impulse, correction, then an up move, okay? We'll be expecting buy on DXY. Then if you are looking for a drop here on DXY, do expect to break this floor, then a correction here, then you can take the drop to expose this price, okay? 95.053. Then you can look for buy again, okay? This will tend to be a bigger correction or a deeper correction, okay, guys? So if you don't get to buy here around this price, do expect a correction, then a drop, okay, guys? Hope you're going to trade well on DXY. We'll go to our next pair. That will be Euro USD. On Euro USD, guys, if you can see well, we are still in this correction, okay? This 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3. We'll see if this correction has finished on itself or we're going to get another rise here, okay? So what we're going to do now, we'll be looking for selling opportunity or sell setup around this price, okay? Watch for a correction, impulse and correction, then you can take the drop there, okay? If you are still in the sell here on this running flag, do manage your trade well, or you should be on profit here to take your profit, your partial profit, and let the market to give you another setup. Then that setup will be expecting small buy here, then it's drop, a correction, then you can take the trade. Expect to break or expose that zone or this zone, okay? We'll be expecting to see if the market is going to give us or test that flow, okay? Then know that we are biased to downside on Euro USD, okay? We'll be looking any setup that is going to drop. You can either put your entry here or let this to push up, push up, push up, then impulse, a correction, then you can take the trade here, put your stop behind there, okay? The trade that you'll be looking for will be this one, okay? Then we'll see after. Here we'll update you how to trade Euro USD. Then we'll go to another pair. That pair will be pound dollar. Right on pound dollar. So far so good, guys, because last we were saying if you are in this sell, wait for a correction here, or if you don't see a correction here, wait for it to break, then give you a correction, then you can take the drop. So we got that correction if you are not in sell from top. Okay, so if you are in a sell from here or a breakout on lower time frame here, there were good selling opportunities there. Okay, then what you need to do to let the market to run, then you can put your break-even stop loss there. Then we'll be expecting a running flag here. Okay, we'll be expecting a running flag to drop on pound dollar. So we are still biased to down on pound dollar, guys. Okay, we'll be looking for a downtrend. If you can go to a lower time frame, 1 hour, there were buy selling opportunities around here, around here, around here, and this one. Okay, this one is a bigger correction that gives us a good move down. Okay, so why we are still looking for a drop, look for a correction here, then a drop to complete around this zone. Okay, this will be similar to our impulse. This impulse, this should be a same or a beat. Okay, then we're still looking for a drop on euro pound dollar, guys. We'll be looking for a drop. We don't see any buy setup, only you look for a correction here. Look for a correction, then you can take the drop. Watch here for another bigger correction similar to this one. Okay, then we'll be expecting this running flag to complete, then you can take another drop there. There's much room for drop on pound dollar, guys. We'll go to another pair, that will be NZD USD. Right, on NZD USD, guys, we are in this correction. Okay, this correction, the price didn't give an up move here, but there was a correction here. Okay, that correction, if you are in a sell here, to manage your trade well, expect another smaller correction around this zone for you to take one more drop. Okay, expecting another drop before you can rise. So at the current moment, a short drop, then we'll be looking for a buy here. Okay, that buy will be impulse, a correction, then a buy. That will be coming maybe Wednesday or Thursday if the market is going to be fast. Okay, for us, or we're going to get it next week, this buy, but at the current state, we'll be looking for this drop to happen. Okay, so we will be biased to downside on NZD USD. Okay, right, if you can check, there was a 1 2 3 here, can say it's a running flag, then there was a drop. Okay, expect this drop to give a correction here, then can take that drop again. Okay, there was nice drops here. This was a break-even trade. Okay, because we took up our trade here, then the market dropped and came back, took us with a break-even, then we expected this pattern to drop, then we took another trade here. Okay, because it's 1 hour, it's where we trade 15 and 1 hour. Okay, smaller time frames where you get your trades, your setup trades. Okay, so now we are still in on NZD USD. So now expect this correction, don't put it on break even at the current state. We're expecting a correction here, then it can drop. Okay, guys, so we'll be looking for drop on NZD USD. Hope you're going to trade well on NZD USD. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be Aussie Dollar. Right, on Aussie Dollar, guys, remember I was saying look for buy. Okay, look for buy. Here we didn't get our correction here for us to continue with the buy. So the market did turn around this price, then one more low. So we are still looking for buy on the Aussie USD. Okay, how we are still looking for buy here? We'll let this, I'll show you on lower time frame, come and take this floor. Then if we get an impulse here, a correction, then we'll be looking to take the trade to come and expose this zone. Then we can look for a drop. Okay, then if you are biased to downside, we'll let this come here and give you a running flag. Okay, give you a running flag, then you can look for a trade on Aussie USD. Okay, we'll update you on how you can trade these. Okay, but now we are showing you, if you are watching us on YouTube, let this to come, make a new floor here, then expect a running flag here. Okay, expect a running flag. For you to take this running flag, you'll wait for an impulse on lower time frame, 1 hour 15 minutes, then a correction, then you can take the trade. Okay, is what we are seeing on Aussie dollar. Then if you are looking for buy, you let this to give an impulse, a correction, then you can take that buy to complete this pattern. Okay, to complete this pattern. So we'll be looking for two things on Aussie USD to happen. Okay, if you can check, if you can take our trend line here, remove this one, then okay, let me remove also this one. This can tend to be a running flag. Okay, watch this zone. If you're going to get a reversal, impulse and correction, then it's a drop. Then we'll be looking for this correction to complete by getting impulse and a correction around this zone. Okay, but if you get a correction here after an impulse here, similar impulse here, get a correction here, then expect a buy on Aussie dollar, guys. Okay, is what we'll be watching on Aussie dollar. So trade with care and trade with discipline. Do wait for good setup, guys. Don't trade any pair that you see and take many trades at the same time. Okay, do trade what you are planning for a week. Okay, right, we'll go to our next pair, that will be silver. On silver, we are still biased on silver, guys. There was a buy here, there was a buy here, then we took our profit around here, guys. Okay, why we took our profit here? According to our strategy, guys, we're going to take our fib extension to show you how we take our profit, guys. Okay, then you'll be watching closely this zone. Okay, this zone, it's our TP. Okay, then our stop, it's behind always this red zone. Okay, our TP will be here. If you are taking a buy here, we'll be looking for a profit there. It's not like if you take a buy here, then this will be useless. If you put your stop here, then your profit here. Okay, because it will be 1-on-1, but it's a good trade also. But I'm giving you how we measure our TP, guys. Okay, then now what we'll need to expect on silver. we'll be looking for a drop on silver, guys. Okay, how are we going to look for this drop? We can either wait for it to break this trend, give a correction here, then can look for a drop. Okay, then silver can also give us a correction here, one more up move here. Okay, make a new roof, then it can drop again. So we'll be looking for a correction, a bigger correction here. If it happen, then we can take the rise. Okay, or either wait for it to break, then a correction, then you can take the drop. Trade well on silver, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, so that you can get every video that we share with you. Right, we're going to give you gold. On gold also, we did buy here, put a stop behind, then looking for this trade. Okay, so now what if you are not in the buy here or from here? Then expect a rise here, make a new roof, then wait for it to give you a setup of sell again. Okay, but we'll be looking for a drop here, a small drop here, then a buy. Then if you're not going to get that small drop here, the small drop for a buy, to expect a deeper correction then. Okay, a deeper correction here, so that can give you this expanding for you to take the trade. Okay, we'll be expecting, if you get a deeper correction, then watch for this trade, watch for this trade to happen for you. Okay, do trade with care on gold. We'll look our next pair. Our last pair will be $. Okay, right, on $, it went well. Remember, if you can go back to our weekly outlooks, we were saying we expect this running flag, okay, to complete. So now it's about to complete, guys. Then for you to take this buy. Okay, this buy should be a similar one here. Okay, we'll be looking for a buy on silver. So if we go to a lower time frame where we trade, guys, okay, and see if we are getting what we are getting. The price was in a correction here. Okay, come and test again this zone, then we got that drop. Okay, so now what we'll be expecting on silver, guys, on $. If you can take your trend line here, to expect the buy. The buy is coming, guys, unless if it's going to give us a deeper correction, be aggressive here and break that trend, then a bigger correction for you to consider that drop. Okay, but we are not anticipating this run, but we are looking for a rise on $. Okay, so if you are in a drop on $, guys, do expect a reversal here. Going to get a reversal, impulse, and a correction, then you can take the buy again. Okay, do trade well this week, guys, and to observe the COVID-19 protocols, to take care of others, and trade well, guys. Okay, we'll see you next week on our outlook again. Okay, thank you, guys.